In this quick tip, I'm going to cover a simple way of making captions and a transcript using YouTube's auto captioning feature. This method works quite well for me with my voice. Mileage may vary depending upon your accent and the sort of technical language you might be using in your video. This is a companion video to a blog post that I wrote that's about accessibility and why captions and transcripts are important. A number of the different links and tools I might talk about in this video will be linked underneath the video in the blog post. So I'm in the video manager here on YouTube. If you want to jump straight to this page with your own account, just follow the My Video Manager link that's below the video. I have a number of videos here that I've uploaded previously. The auto captioning feature is an automatic tool. However, you probably want to check the captions for accuracy. As I mentioned, for my voice, they tend to be pretty accurate, but it's always worth checking them first. So I'm going to use this OneNote video here for this example. So I click the video, then click on Transcriptions. I'm then going to click on Published here next to the English automatic caption. So what I'm going to do here is just press play on this video so that you can see what the auto captioning has done. Depending upon the exact device you are using and the particular version of the operating system on that device, there are a number of different ways in which you can create a OneNote notebook. In order to try and simplify this process, so there's a quick example. Now you could see there that was pretty good. However, right at the very start there was an error there where it got the words wrong. So I'm just going to edit that and fix that problem. So I'm just going to click on Edit, and then I'm going to click into the box for the section of text that I know is wrong, and type the word to replace the incorrect captioning. For the purposes of this, I'm going to pretend like that's the only error in this entire captioning file, and I'm going to hit Save Changes. So I'm just going to play this back now to show you that the new version has the edited text. So I'm going to switch on Closed Captions and press play. Depending upon the exact, and you can see there now it says depending upon. So what we're going to do then is hit this pending publish, as this is the one that we actually want published for everybody else to see, not the automatic one that was generated by YouTube. So we could leave it there now as just captions, and that would be perfectly acceptable. However, I'm going to go a step further here and create a transcript from the subtitle file that we can download of the captions that we've just edited. So I'm going to click on this link here that just says English, not the automatic one. I'm then going to come over here to Actions, and I'm going to download the SRT file. Okay, so I have a folder here just called Caption, which is just on my desktop. You'll notice that the file is going to be called captions.srt. You can name it anything that makes sense to you. So what we're going to do now is open up this captions.srt file. So I'm going to right click Captions, and I'm going to select Open with Notepad. Now this is a full subtitle file. This contains a lot of information regarding the time codes for when the different text needs to be displayed. Now if you want to remove all that time code manually, that's quite a pain, but we can use an online tool to strip that out and leave us with just the normal text. So this is how I'm going to do that. I'm going to use Control-A, select all the text, and then do Control-C or right click to copy. I'm then going to go to an online tool for extracting text from subtitles. The link should be below the video. I'm going to simply paste into this first box using Control V, or you can right click and paste. Then click Do the Job. And you'll see now we have just text on the other side. Now, one thing to bear in mind that's quite important, if in your video you have talked about a lot of numbers, you may end up with a lot of numbers in your subtitle file. When you paste it into this tool, it's possible that it's then going to strip out some of those numbers, thinking that they are part of the timecode information. So you need to be very wary of that. You can simply then click into this box, do Control A again, then Control C, or right click and copy. You can then paste that text into the word processor of your choice. I normally use Grammarly or Word, and you can get that text then into a suitable text format to upload to wherever it is you're going to have the video, so that you can provide a proper transcript. I hope this video has been helpful. Thanks for watching.